Introducing SG Diagnostics COVID-19 Saliva Antigen Rapid Test, a practical self-administered test kit to detect the presence of SARS-CoV-2. The kit has everything you need, quick, portable and accurate. You get instant results within 10 minutes and can be easily done by anyone, anytime and anywhere just in 4 simple steps. We'll show you how. Before conducting the test, wash your hands thoroughly. Unpack the kit on a clean and even surface and read the instruction manual carefully. Rinse your mouth with clear water 30 minutes before collecting the saliva sample. Do not eat, drink or smoke for the next 30 minutes until you take the test. Step 1. Collection of saliva sample. Take the elution tube and remove the white cap. Be careful not to spill the elution buffer. Open the funnel packaging. Push the funnel into the elution tube until the funnel sits inside the elution tube securely. It might require some force to do so. Enrich saliva for sample collection by placing the tip of the tongue against the roof of the upper or lower front teeth. The saliva sample needs to be deep throat saliva, not just a spit. Hold the funnel upright over the elution tube and gently spit saliva into the funnel. Make sure that you have spit enough saliva such that it reaches the 3rd scale line. Carefully remove the funnel, throw the funnel into the bin and close the tube with the same white cap. Step 2. Sample treatment. Turn the elution tube upside down 5 times to mix the saliva sample with the elution buffer that was already in the tube. Remove the white cap. Cover the elution tube tightly with a nozzle that is connected with the tube. For best performance, saliva sample should be extracted and tested no later than 1 hour after collection. Step 3. Test the sample. Open the test cassette package and lay it flat. Add 4 drops of the test sample into the sample well and wait for the colored band to appear. Step 4. Results interpretation. The result will be ready within 10 minutes. Do not interpret the results after 15 minutes. On the cassette, if only the control C line appears, then the result is negative. If 2 horizontal lines appear in both the C and T regions, then the result is positive. Even if the T line is faint, it should still be interpreted as a positive result. The control line represents a valid result and should always appear. If it doesn't, then the test is invalid and you should repeat the test with a new test cassette. It's as simple as this. For more information about SG Diagnostics products, please check out our website at www.sgdiagnostics.com.